Driving across the Hoover Dam. That's pretty much it. Lots of people. It's busy. Everything is busy. There's the thing that they're gonna build across the gorge. It's amazing. I think we're in Arizona.
Hi.
Can you walk and film at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay. Fair enough. So we made it to the Hoover Dam. Damn, it's cool.
Yeah.
Yep. And I guess we're gonna walk around here. Get you some coffee or something?
Yeah, something on my throat.
Something on your throat. It's fun. Cool. So it's nice. A big hole right here.
Big hole. I'm trying not to drop my dude down there. This is Justin messing with his camera. He does it quite a bit. Somehow I switched it from large format and put the sound on.
I've really got to go pee right now.
Yeah?
I might just pee into the water right there.
They might not like that.
Yeah, they probably would. It would be cool. It take a while for it to get down the side of it. So hopefully we can find a bathroom. It's just what's got to be. Okay. Oh yeah, jump down the rock. Oh, crap. Oh, you're looking down.
Hit by a car, baby. You almost got hit by a car.
It's a lot of concrete. Because a river used to go through here.
Go through where?
Right down through this canyon.
Oh, really?
And they built all this concrete here. That's how we got Lake Mead. Rather than vice versa. Which makes no sense at all.
It does. No, if there was a big ocean and we put a big dam in it,
Yes, but there's no
then
ocean
the water
here.
level would go down. Where is over there? The dam dried it up.
At first glance, one is usually drawn to the massive flag or sculpture, a golden ball. This ball points to the center of the sun on September 30th, the date that Franklin D. Roosevelt dedicated the dam.
That's cool.
Following the pole down to your feet are 209 metal discs embedded on the terrazzo floor. Each disc is scaled to the exact diameter and the relative apparent magnitude of all the stars visible with the naked eye from this exact location at 8:56 p.m. on the dedication date. The reason for creating the celestial chart, according to the artist, is that he believed that someday, somehow, future civilizations would find their way here and, with no other means of communication, might look upon this monument and determine the exact date on which engineers and craftsmen of our culture completed the date.
You gonna go rub those feet?
To assist future visitors,
For good
the
luck.
sculptor also created the Celestial Watch, or Wheel of Time.
I need it.
The yellow arc on the floor is actually a complete circle
Here's a
showing
picture of it.
26,000 Earth years, or 1 Platonic year, in astronomy terms.
You take a picture?
Marked on
Just got done doing the Hoover Dam. The dam for engineering, and whatever that means. Yeah, we're headed back to the car, and then we're going to
Drive.
very far.
Drive.
Go to back into Nevada, go back into Arizona, make a pit stop in Utah, and so we'll see you along the way.
Yay.
Bye-bye.